In this video, we're going to be doing a FreeTaxUSA tax software review and the usage experience. Okay, this is basically a tax filing software that promises you free federal filing and low-cost state returns. But how does it actually perform? Let's break it down. So let's start with what FreeTaxUSA is. It's a budget-friendly tax prep service that supports all major IRS forms, including Schedule C for the self-employed, right? Individuals at no extra charge. While federal returns are completely free, state returns cost just $14.99, making it one of the most affordable options out there. So what's actually new for them in 2025? Okay, so this year, FreeTaxUSA actually introduced photo uploads for W-2s and support for Form 1099-B and Form 8949, which is great for stock and crypto traders. All right. Plus, their online help community has expanded with over 1,000 discussions and 160 help articles, as you can see. And let's lay down some of the pros, some of the cons, right? One is that they have a free federal filing and a low cost state returns. They also support all major tax forms, including self-employment, great navigation and mobile experience, multiple help options, including live chat with Deluxe. This one costs $7.99. It's pretty free, very affordable. And let's look at some of the cons. It cannot, doesn't import most 1099s automatically. And, they help articles, I would say, yeah, it could be a little bit more detailed. So let's go over how this actually works, right? Like other tax software, FreeTaxUSA walks you through income, deductions, and credits using an easy-to-follow Q&A format. It transfers your data to state returns and checks for errors before filing, okay? And you can also import last year's tax return from FreeTaxUSA or another service, which saves you time. And there's also some self-employment benefits. So basically, if you are a freelancer, a gig worker, or small business owner, FreeTaxUSA is also a game changer for you because unlike a TurboTax or H&R Block, which charge extra for Schedule C, FreeTaxUSA actually lets you file it for free. And I know you won't get as much handholding, but if you're comfortable following IRS guidelines, this can save you over $100 compared to the premium tax services. So for my final verdict, I would say FreeTaxUSA is a top choice for the budget-conscious filers, especially those who are self-employed or have more complex tax situations. While it lacks some premium features of TurboTax or, H&R Block, it is solid. It's a cost-effective alternative. So if you're looking to file your taxes without breaking the bank, then FreeTaxUSA is worth checking out. Okay? So I hope this review provided of value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Appier Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.